Hello, my name is Carrie McLaughlin. I am an Italian and Spanish teacher at Longwood Junior High School in Middle Island, New York. I've been teaching for about 14 years, and this year I have 7th grade Spanish and 8th grade Italian. I also recently completed an advanced graduate certificate in educational technology with Stony Brook University, and now I'm working on the Google Apps Master Cluster to become a certified Google educator and then certified Google trainer. So today I'd like to talk a little bit about creating and adding content to YouTube playlists. So I'm going to go to the YouTube homepage through the Google Apps and access my my YouTube channel through my picture. And here I have a homepage, videos, playlists. I also have my students subscribe to my channel and enable post notifications so that they can see when I add new content, and they like when that comes up and they check out what I've put up. So we're going to talk a little bit about playlists. I have a bunch already set up, but I'm always looking for new videos for upcoming topics that we have. So I'm going to just search for some topics here, and I can see that I have lots of videos here, and found something on reflexive verbs that I haven't yet created a playlist for, and I know it's an upcoming unit. So I'm going to click on the video, and then here are some options for me to either share, and the plus sign here lets me create a brand new playlist with reflexive verbs, and I'm going to keep it public for now. And then once I hit create, I now have my reflexive verbs video exactly where I need it when I'm ready for that unit. The other thing I want to show is how to add content to an existing playlist. So I'm just going to take a quick one here, my daily routine. And once I hit the plus button, the plus sign, I can pick one of my playlists that's already been set up, even if it's the watch later, or in this case, I can add it to reflexive verbs because it falls under that unit. And all I have to do is check the box, and then I can see that it's been added to the playlist. That's a little bit about adding content to playlists in YouTube, as well as creating a new playlist on the fly. Thank you very much for watching.